finished the Atlas flow exactly how I implement it, except no screenshots. So the idea is the Atlas score is constantly updated based off of the metrics as they change. So as the new metrics come in, we get an updated timestamp. Confidence should be 100% unless it's something that's calculated. And basically, as these scores change, whichever one moves to the top becomes our target. So if my holdings is Apple and my holdings is at the bottom of the list, then I should sell. So I would sell the put, and then I would buy Microsoft, or I would buy SPY. So whichever has the highest Atlas score, it will automatically shift up. So if I wanted to add like Google or Tesla,
All right, no.
I can immediately get an Atlas score.
No.
So based off of our criteria, so these are the our different weighted values, and I'm gonna have a setting to modify the weights, but we can also go in and assess how the score was calculated, get a full analysis, and then it'll always tell us basically what our current stance is for our holdings and what the next move needs to be to get the absolute biggest chance of earnings. And then we can modify the strategy later. So that's the general Atlas flow. And now let's go to, I just wanted to update you guys on the project tracking. So we have basically sprint 1, we have the different tasks. I don't know why it's not highlighting, but we can move them obviously, and then we'll create a new task. Well, we can also create a task by voice, so let's do that. Allow this time. Okay, can you create a task for me to finalize the Atlas flow functionality to allow multiple strategies and then also incorporate AI? And then stop. Bam, our task is created. So that's basically that. Unfortunately, none of these were assigned, so no one got points. I will assign a couple to me. Assign. And I'll speed this up, I'll make it so you can just click the drop down right there, kind of like Jira. But okay, I got some points. And so that is that. And so we can check the project status. So this week was just finish core Atlas functionality. Next week, make tons of money. And then we have a backlog with just a bunch of garbage. And then also, just so you're aware, we have this Firebase Firestore data validation tool, which basically just gives us a quick way to view the structure of each of our tables, each of our documents inside of our tables. So we can always view real quick, and if we wanted to, we could create a new one. It has an opportunity to displays all the fields that are possible for each element in the field. So this is just a personal tool for improving the flow or being able to validate different aspects of the database without having to go to the Firestore database, which is, we can do that too. But anyways, that's basically it. We got the billing. This thing's ready to sell. We have the options to switch to Supabase or memory, but I haven't tested out Supabase yet or memory. And there's still a lot of work. This stuff isn't all wired up 100% live. So, and then I just have to pass all the values to Firestore to save them. And then we're going to, anytime there's an execution, or maybe what I'll do is I'll put a star by a certain strategy, and then we'll record that, and then we'll see how accurate it was down the road. So anyways, that's where we're at. All right, talk to you later.